Let me ask you a question. Are you a big fan of the British classic dandy style? I am definitely. So that's why I decided to make another. It's not a blind buy because I've tried original Endymion Cologne several times and it's my favorite. It's my favorite because of the light, very elegant, upscale level. If you're familiar with La Nuit alone, this is the upscale, much more upscale version for the grown man, not for the kids. So let's get into that. I'm so curious, but before that, let me sip a coffee. Just to slow it down a bit. Oh, beautiful, beautiful presentation. That's what I like about Penhaligons. I know it's the company from the 19th century. The presentation is marvelous, astounding. Look at the stars. And now, oh, beautiful. That's what I like. That's what I like the most. Here's the king of elegance, refined, beautiful smell. One of the greatest smell ever. Oh yeah, on my arms, both beautiful. Oh, great. Nobody can make it like Penhaligons. Wow, mind-blowing. It's sweet, but so it's nothing dated there. It's beautiful. It takes like with a hint of lemon. Ah, very fresh factor. I don't know what's there, like it's beautiful, almost like a fruity powderiness. Nothing earthy, nothing mossy. Here, nothing leathery. Just pure joy and funny vibe, like summer vibe. Oh, it's like smile in the bottle. Endymion is like after for a second that it's the king of the pashe, but beautiful style that makes you smile, that evokes you a smile, summer, sun, joy of life, everything positive, nothing negative, nothing dark, nothing philosophical or moody. No. So this connects the positive vibrations and positive moments and positive smell. No matter if it's light fragrance, to me it's just enough what I want to spray on myself. How do I feel with it? Because it's very, it's beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful creation that I've ever tried. I'm so glad that it's finally in my collection after 11 years of collecting. Why have I waited so long? The Penhaligon easily became probably now my number one current brand because they do it right. I like their products, their colognes. They focus on that. They know what they do, and they differ from the like I don't want to say flat designer sense and flat designer modern contemporary market. So to me, it's everything that I demand and expect from the interesting non-generic cologne and scent. And yeah, this is motivates me to discover and explore even more. And I'm glad that I have that feeling from that, because sometimes you feel like you don't have anything to discover and you're like at the end of the game with collecting perfumes, but Penhaligons draws me back to the game, to the joy of wearing it, beautiful, beautiful. So to me, it's like 10 out of 10. I don't have any critique here. Everything here is refined, well blended, rounded, warm, pleasant, uplifting. Nothing clashing here. Everything goes hand in hand, perfectly blended. Yes, so glad and thank you. Don't know if you have experiences with the Penhaligon's colognes or perfumes as well from their different lines. So let me know. If you have Endymion Cologne, let me know how you like it and what you specifically like about Endymion Cologne. Thank you. Until then, bye for now.